Aluminum frame with plastic top. The bottom of the frame, with one side curved and one side right angled. Note the distinction between left and right. Aluminum wheel plate marked left and right. Pass the axle through the outward hole of the aluminum wheel plate. The holes in the axle are aligned with the half arc of wheel plate. Place the tire with the inflation port facing outward. Install the sleeve first, then the tire. Another side is mounted in the same way. Install the fixed pins. Inflate the tire. Install the handrail.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.